In this video, we will learn how to solve the national income model. Given the national income model is y is equal to c plus I naught plus g naught, where y is the income, c is the consumption function, I naught is the autonomous investment. They does not depend upon the level of interest, and government expenditure is also autonomous here. Consumption is a function which is equal to a plus b, denotes the marginal propensity to consume, times y minus t. T denotes the tax, where b MPC lies between 0 and 1. Also we have t is equal to dy, and let me write it here small t to make things clear. T times ty, where this t lies between 0 and 1. T denotes the marginal tax rate. Okay, so taxes are the functions of income here. Okay, we need to solve the model for equilibrium level of income, consumption and taxes. Okay, so at equilibrium we know that our income should be equal to our expenditure. So our income will be equal to c plus I naught plus g naught. Okay, so we have y is equal to, what is c? C is being given us as this very function a plus, so if I solve it here, it becomes by minus bt, or if I do not solve it here, I will solve it in the next step. So we have a plus b times y minus t, plus then we have I naught, which is autonomous here, plus g naught. Okay, again we have y is equal to a plus b bracket y minus the value of t is small ty plus I naught plus g naught. Okay, solving further, so y will be equal to a plus b times y is by minus bty. Okay, if I multiply b to each of these terms, then we have I naught plus g naught. Okay, so let us transpose this term and this term to LHS. So we have y minus by plus b times ty, because this will transpose and its sign will change from negative to positive, should be equal to a plus I naught plus g naught here. Okay, so let's take y common here. So y will be, taking y common, we are left with 1 minus b plus bt is equal to a plus I naught plus g naught. Okay, so transpose this term to RHS, so we get y is equal to a plus I naught plus g naught divided by 1 minus b plus bt. So this denotes our equilibrium level of income. Okay, now to find out the equilibrium level of consumption, let us first find out the equilibrium level of taxes. Okay, so t star will be equal to marginal tax rate, which is t, times the value of y, what we got here, that is a plus I naught plus g naught divided by 1 minus b plus bt. Okay, I hope I am making myself clear. So we got the equilibrium level of income, equilibrium level of taxes. Now we need to find out the equilibrium level of consumption. So we have c is equal to a plus, then we have b, which is marginal propensity to consume, times y minus t. So y star and t star we calculated. So we have y is a plus I naught plus g naught divided by 1 minus b plus bt. To this we subtract this term taxes, which is t times a plus I naught plus g naught divided by 1 minus b plus bt. Okay, so our equilibrium level of consumption, if we further solve it, so c star will be equal to a plus b. Now we have the same terms. If I take a plus I naught plus g naught common, so we will be left with 1 minus t here. Since denominator is same, we can do the subtraction, which I did here. So we have 1 minus b plus bt. So c star will be equal to a plus b times 1 minus t times a plus I naught plus g naught divided by 1 minus b plus bt. This will denote our equilibrium level of consumption. Okay, so we have solved it simply. We can also solve it using Cramer's rule or matrix inversion method. So here I have simply solved it algebraically. I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out this video helpful. Thank you.